Pavers, acid brick, quarry, and ceramic tile are excellent choices for industrial flooring. They withstand heavy traffic and physical abuse. But in a food processing environment, flooring is subjected to severe conditions from various elements. Strong food acids and the byproducts of bacteria will deteriorate many types of tile installation mortars and grouts. Thermal shock from hot liquids and steam cleaning can cause installation materials to fail, including many types of epoxies. Corrosive cleaning agents, such as mineral acids, and oxidizing agents like nitric acid and bleach, deteriorate many grouting materials, including furan resin type grouts. The results are unsightly, unsanitary, and unsafe flooring. Combine these problems with the limited shutdown time available in operational plants, and what do you do to repair deteriorated installations? Laticrete International, world leader in tile and paver installation systems, has the solution. Laticrete provides a complete range of products for fast and permanent repair to your paver and industrial tile floors. In addition to product, Laticrete offers a full range of technical support, including job site service and training. In the USA and Canada, call toll-free 800-243-4788 and overseas 203-393-0010. Latapoxy 300 Rapid Epoxy Adhesive and Latapoxy 2000 High Performance Industrial Grout are recommended for all food processing areas, including dairies, breweries, cheese and beverage plants, meat packing plants, clean-in-place rooms, industrial kitchens, laboratories, and many other corrosive environments. Latapoxy installation materials provide important performance features: superior chemical resistance to a wide range of food acids, mineral acids, and corrosive cleaners; high temperature resistance up to 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 183 degrees centigrade; low temperature performance for regrouting areas down to 40 degrees Fahrenheit or 4 degrees centigrade; and fast cure for quick back into service requirements. Latapoxy industrial grade installation materials have been thoroughly tested and exceed the performance requirements of ANSI A118.3 chemical resistant water cleanable tile setting and grouting epoxy and ANSI 118.5 chemical resistant furan mortars and grouts. In addition, extensive comparison testing for chemical and heat resistance was done against other leading brands of epoxy and furan resin materials. Latapoxy 2000 high performance grout was far superior in all categories. Finally, Latapoxy products are easy to use. Each unit comes complete with epoxy resin, hardener, a bag of filler powder, plus cleaning pad, rubber gloves, detailed instructions, and a mixing pail. Latapoxy is water cleanable and has a low odor. It is suitable for use in an active food area. Unlike furan resin grouts, tile or pavers do not have to be pre-waxed or sealed, a costly expense that requires extra labor in cleanup. Let's look at a regrouting project. Before we begin, several important steps must be performed. Read the instructions thoroughly. Store the Latapoxy units at or about room temperature to properly condition the liquids. Cold liquids will be more difficult to mix. If cold, epoxy liquid jars should be placed in hot tap water for 10 to 15 minutes. However, avoid overheating liquids above 95 degrees Fahrenheit or 35 degrees centigrade, as this will accelerate the chemical reaction. Grout joints must be properly prepared for regrouting. Rake out any loose, deteriorated, or unstable grout with a grout removal tool, grout removal saw, or a similar device. A minimum depth of 1/4 inch or 6 millimeters is required for regrouting. Install brick and tile with Latapoxy 300 Rapid Adhesive. For deep patches and fill, use Laticrete latex fortified rapid mortars. These mortars are high strength, suitable for heavy traffic, and are ready for grouting in approximately 2 hours. If existing grout is soft and punky, a high-pressure water jet provides a fast method for old grout removal. After removing old grout, make sure to sanitize the area with a solution of bleach or other appropriate solution. Then rinse thoroughly with clean water to remove all residue. Do not leave standing water in the joint. Vacuum up standing water and ensure joint is dry. Now we're ready to regrout. Pour the entire contents of A and B liquids into the mixing pail and mix until uniform. Add approximately 3/4 of the C filler powder and mix with a slow-speed drill mixer. Check for bubbling and for consistency. Add more powder if necessary. Mix only to completely wet out the powder. Don't overmix. Immediately pour all the grout onto the work area. Leaving grout in the pail reduces working time. Use a sharp-edge epoxy-type grout float and push the material slowly across the joints. Work an area within arm's reach and then remove excess grout by holding the float at a 90-degree angle and pull diagonally across the joints. Check job site and floor temperature. 70 degrees Fahrenheit or 21 degrees centigrade assures normal working properties. Hotter temperatures will reduce working time and accelerate cure. Cold temperatures will extend cure time and thicken the grout mix. Adjust your methods accordingly. Within approximately 45 minutes at normal temperature, begin cleaning. Apply a liberal amount of water to the tile and begin scrubbing in a circular motion. You do not have to press hard. A whitish froth will appear. Continue scrubbing across the work area. For large projects, a commercial floor scrubbing machine with nylon pad is recommended. Use a coarse pad for abrasive and rough textured brick and tile. Now remove the frothy residue. Have plenty of clean water available. To pick up the residue, hold a wet towel low to the floor and drag across the tile. Note the use of a water drum on rollers and a towel wringer to facilitate cleanup. A squeegee and a wet vac can also be used on large projects to remove frothy water. Generally, one pass is sufficient for cleanup, but if resin film is still noticeable on the tile, repeat the cleaning procedure. Laticrete products and services are available worldwide from a network of factories, distributors, and technical service representatives. For additional information, refer to the product literature or call toll-free in the USA and Canada 800-243-4788, overseas 203-393-0010, or fax 203-393-1948.